Today we're sharing how you can quickly put together this whipped goat cheese wreath for the holidays. I used 16 ounces of goat cheese and 8 ounces of cream cheese. And then a little bit, just a splash of milk or heavy cream or Greek yogurt, whatever you'd prefer. And then I just blended it together until smooth. You can also add in herbs and spices at this point if you'd like. Then you'll just want to shell a bunch of pistachios, collect them together in a plastic bag, and crunch them up. Then you'll just want to get your pomegranate seeds ready. Then you'll take your whipped goat cheese and start forming it into your wreath. So I would take sections and roll them and just continue to add them together until I had my full wreath. Then I used a knife to kind of smooth out all the edges and make it as symmetrical as I could. You can also use a piping bag and just put dollops in a circle around the board. I did that the second time I made this and I think I liked it a lot better. Then you'll just start adding all your garnishes. So I added a bunch of rosemary and thyme, and then I added on the pistachios, the pomegranates, and I ended up drizzling it with some hot honey as well.